Good evening, sir. I am Lord Jodor Cadiz, Section G2U. I am explain Admiralty notice to mariners. And weekly edition is 20 and May 16, 2024. And this the Admiralty notice to mariners. Admiral authorities to inform mariners about important navigational safety and information. The content updates such as change in navigational chart hazard to navigation near or change regulations affecting navigation and others relevant information that affect the safety of the ship and assist the weekly edition 20. This likely refers to a specific publication or document release on weekly basic, potentially by a government agents, companies, or organization. The May 16, 2024 and it could be significant for planning events, scheduling activities. This Admiralty chart affected by publication and edition 20, 2024. Chart, Admiralty chart. Making Admiralty chart affected by the publication list when on Admiralty chart are the affected by the publication list and means updates have been made to related documents like sailing direction or date info. The tables this keep sailor informed with the latest info for safe navigation at sea. Admiralty chart. On a Admiralty chart is a map for ship giving related inform about the deep coastline and hazard sailor. Use the chart to plan routes, stay safe, and navigated through waterways. Admiralty charts and publication now published and available new edition and Admiralty chart and publication. Yes, sir. The purpose of Admiralty charts 1414 chart titled West India's Cuba North West Coast begin the Bahia del Mariel and approach is in to provide detailed navigational information for mariners. Navigation the Bahia del Mariel area in approach along the northwest coast of Cuba. This Admiralty chart and publication now published and available. New edition of Admiralty charts and publication. Page 4. The publication and Admiralty chart will be made available on May 30, 2024. Adequacy change the publishing to be published. The Admiralty is expected to produce navigational charts and related publication in the near future as shown by the schedule or strategy provided in this section. Admiralty chart and publication to be published. Admiralty charts to be published 30 May 2024. Admiralty chart and publication new published and available this section identities that the mentioned Admiralty chart and accessible for use by mariners, release and accessible for user new edition for Admiralty. Change published May 16, 2024. This is specific the day May 16, 2024 when new edition for Admiralty charts were officially published. Details charts related to the Baltic Sea, focusing on the entrance on the Gulf of Via in Eva in Estonia, updates and risk hazards or obstacles in the specific area, change of the depth chart reference system, and by publishing updates with new information on rocks, obstruction, and change to be deep. The Admiralty aims to change the safety of navigation in the specific maritime area. And that's all, sir.